Hello, my dear students. Welcome to this class. Variety is the spice of life. I thought some of you might not be very interested in watching the lessons in these video classes every day. So, today I'm not going to teach a lesson. I have come up with a variety. The variety is a different topic. The topic for us today is a factual passage. We're going to read out a factual passage and understand that. After that, we are going to complete the questions that are given at the end of that passage on the understanding of the passage. So without any further delay, let's get started. This is our beautiful passage for today. Read the passage given below and answer the questions or complete the sentences that follow. Now you can pause the video and read the complete passage, and then you can answer the questions that are given in the next slide. Now I'm going to read this passage. A sparrow is a small bird which is found throughout the world. There are many different species of sparrows. Sparrows are only about 4 to 6 inches in length. Many people appreciate their beautiful song. Sparrows prefer to build their nests in low places, usually on the ground, clumps of grass, low trees, and low bushes. In cities, they build their nests in building nooks or holes. They rarely build their nests in high places. They build their nests out of twigs, grasses, and plant fibers. Their nests are usually small and well-built structures. Female sparrows lay 4 to 6 eggs at a time. The eggs are white with reddish-brown spots. They hatch between 11 to 14 days. Both the male and female parents care for the young. Insects are fed to the young after hatching. The large feet of the sparrows are used for scratching seeds. Adult sparrows mainly eat seeds. Sparrows can be found almost everywhere where there are humans. Many people throughout the world enjoy these delightful birds. The sparrows are some of the few birds that engage in dust bathing. Sparrows first scratch a hole in the ground with their feet, then lie in it and fling dirt or sand over their bodies with flicks of their wings. They also bathe in water or in dry or melting snow. Water bathing is similar to dust bathing, with the sparrow standing in shallow water and flicking water over its back with its wings, also ducking its head under the water. Both activities are social, with up to 100 birds participating at once, and is followed by preening and sometimes group singing. This is our wonderful factual passage. So now it's time for us to have a look at the questions. But if you do not understand, you can always pause the video and read it again, and then you can move on to questions. So complete these sentences. The chief food for the adult sparrow is. What is the chief food? What is the main food that adult sparrow will have? It is seeds. Sparrows live wherever there are humans. Sparrows will live there, right? Yes. The word species means, what is meant by the word species? It means kinds. Sparrows dash in high places. We have learnt about that. Do they build their nests in high places? No. So, sparrows rarely build their nests in high places. Dash take care of the young sparrows. Who takes care of the young sparrows? Both the parents will take care of the young sparrows. Sparrows take bath in. Where do they take the bath? In dust, water, or snow. Bathing for the sparrows is a social activity. They all together do that. So it is a social activity for them. Bathing is followed by dash and dash. It is followed by preening and group singing. They bath and then they clean and then they sing. So this is it. So that's it. So with that, we come to the end of this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.